Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick video I will show you exactly how to install fabric modes in Minecraft 1.21.7 step by step. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first you need to go have fabric loader installed. If you have not done that yet, you just need to go to the fabricnet.com. Here you can see the platform.net and download the installer. Choose 1.21.7. So you can just click over here, download, and then download it for your Windows. Just click over here and it will be downloaded. Most fabric modes need the fabric API to work. You just need to go to the CurveForge. Here you can see this is the CurveForge. You just need to go over here and then you just need to search for fabric API and download the version also. Just search here fabric API and just hit enter and it will give you the options here. So let's find it out again. There is a problem that we are not getting that one. Just search for fabric and let's hit enter. We said search again and then you just need to be search for the fabric API, the download version for 1.21.7. so here you will find out that one is, you can say apply for an API key. You just need to click over here and then you will eventually get the API from here. Then next, find fabric modes you want to use, like CurveForge or Modnet are great place. Like Modnet was, this is the platform. Let me give you the link. RINTH, and you will get to see this one. So I will go over here and from that place I can say I will download this Modnet. Then make sure the modes you download match to the Minecraft 1.21.7 and fabric not work. And now you just need to press Windows plus R, like here Windows plus R, and then you will get this one. And from that place you just need to be give this something like this app data, this way app data, and then you just need to be hit enter. Once you click over here, hit enter, then you will open in here. If you don't see the mods, now you just need to open the Minecraft folder. So here you will find out the Minecraft folder if you install it yet. Then if you don't see mods folder, just create one name mods and now drag and drop your download.jar mod files and the fabrics API into the mods folder and open the Microsoft or Minecraft launcher. Select the fabric loader 1.21.7 profile and click play. Once the game loads, your fabric modes will be ready to use. And that's it, you have installed fabric modes in Minecraft 1.21.7. If this video really helped you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.